Hello everyone, I welcome to you all on Tech Nantech YouTube channel. Basically in this video we will discuss about the two big update regarding Mindtree C&I junior engineer role. And what is big two update? Basically one is offer letter regarding and second is a percentage criteria for the Mindtree C&I junior engineer role with proof. Okay, so let us see first of all Mindtree C&I junior engineer role. Those who are waiting for the offer letter from the yesterday night, lots of candidates are getting their offer letter. So Mindtree started sending the offer letter. Don't be panic. It's just 22 hours or 18 or 20 hours ago. Before the 20 hours, they will started sending. So don't be panic. Those who didn't get yet the offer letter. Okay. First things. Okay. And after that, you must get an offer letter. Keep in mind first of all, lots of candidates have query whether I got or not, whether I selected or not. There is nothing such like that. Okay, if you are getting the confirmation mail, definitely we will be getting an opportunity to work in the Mindtree. Okay, that's all. Sending lots of questions repeatedly, don't do this please. Okay, another thing, percentage criteria. In the next slide we will discuss about this, but let us talk about the percentage criteria. What is the major changes in percentage criteria? So let us see. During the application filling form, whenever you apply for the Mindtree C&I junior engineer role, at that time they didn't mention about the percentage. Okay, if you have like below the 60% marks, 55% marks, 50% marks, most of them are just applying for the Mindtree C&I junior engineer role. So and after that, those candidates who have 54% marks in their BTech and a degree, just before less than the 60% marks, those who have, they are getting such kinds of problem. Okay, because those who get an offer letter, let us see in the next slide we will show the condition. Let us see in the second slide I will show here. Let us see. Hi sir, I have selected in Mindtree C&I junior engineer. Today I got an offer letter. In that later they mentioned that secure 60% in graduation, whatever you did like BE, BTech and all. But before I apply this job, they didn't mention any eligibility. My CGPA in BTech is 5.93. It is any chance to reject me? Definitely you will be rejected, because in the offer letter they mention about the 60% criteria. They mention, the student, those who message to me, already they said I've selected in Mindtree C&I junior engineer role, and they mentioned that secure 60% in the graduation. So those who have less than 60% marks, a very few chance for getting selected in Mindtree after the whole process. Okay, so keep in mind. Before that, in the sum of video, lots of candidates are same query about the percentage. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this, you just join our WhatsApp group, text us, and your query will be resolved by us. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. And next thing, I will show you an offer letter where you can just show from yourself. There is the mention about the 60% criteria. Okay, so that's all about the C&I junior engineer role. Let us see yesterday those candidates who got an offer letter, what they mention. Okay, let us see. Subject to training and employment, that is the offer letter for Mindtree C&I junior engineer role. Let us see in the point 2.1a, you should have complete the degree with you pursue and now pursuing without any backlog, subject where you have not obtained the passing marks at the time of joining. Okay, during the time of joining you didn't have any backlog and anything. Okay, but second thing, in the B section you can show secure 60% aggregate in the degree. Aggregate will be calculated as follow: total of the marks obtained in all the subject from your first to the last semester divided by total of the maximum marks in the all semester subject from first to last semester. Aggregate percentage is aggregate into 100. So just keep in mind, most of the candidates are getting selected those who didn't have 60% marks. Okay, so it may be some kinds of trouble, but don't mind, we will talk on it. But that is a big update from Evolve, because everyone will be getting relaxed after just completing all the process. but whenever someone got an offer letter, when they saw about the 60% criteria, they will be getting some kinds of panic and all, so they started sending to text us and all the things. So that is the big update regarding Mindtree C&I junior engineer role, and I want to just clear all the things. So for the next things and all the things, you just subscribe our channel, like our channel, and join our WhatsApp group. Link are given in the description box. Even that, if you have any query, just text us on the WhatsApp. We will try to resolve your query. Okay, thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.